welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie. We have made it, sadly, to the last series of this collaboration. Well, not the last series, but the last episode. This is series 2, episode number 7, and today we decided to just basically end it going into February, which is Valentine's Day, y'all. So we did something really sexy and sultry, Valentine's Day theme, and I just hope that y'all like this look. I just really was like, I didn't really want to do the tutorial at this point. I was being lazy, and you can't get this sexy with glitter without a cut crease. I'm gonna keep y'all long. Tell me how y'all like this series. Did y'all like this series? I will be doing another series, y'all. Series number 3, I might do it in the summertime, spring, who knows. February is the month that I get my BBL, and the month that I really want to take care of my skin and do a lot of vlogs for this month. I will be doing tutorials though. Stay tuned if you want to see this look, but don't forget to go look at the girls in the description right below, because I know y'all gonna love them. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next collaboration series. I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, and I also went ahead and prepped my base. Now it's drying a little bit with Plouise number 5, my colorful palette that I made. And I'm gonna grab this shade right here, MOCHA from Suva Beauty. I'm going in with my 167 brush, y'all, in the teared up area. Smoky eyes are really easy, y'all, to do. Light pink out of the James Charles palette right here. Ooh, it's not pink. Okay, pink. It's James Charles pink, baby. It's popping. Onto this pink right here, and that is from MUA Shadows. This is a Morphe Perfect. Go back into the burgundy color that I applied, which is hookah, and I'm about to go in and I'm about to smoke it out, bring it up, or smoke that up. Basically starting to blend everything out. Yeah. Add this color next to it. I'm gonna add it straight across. Nothing major. Like this purple pink that I'm gonna use. I'm not using any glue for these sparklers. I'm just basically applying it on my lid, y'all. That's all I'm doing. But the glitter came out cute. Once I add the lash, it'll be really, really cute. I took these glitters. This one is called GG glitter. I don't know. Somebody sent it to me. It say shop glistening. I'll leave it in the description bar below, y'all. But I'm about to take this pink glitter, this red glitter, and then this white glitter in the inner part right here. I have to apply these lashes, and I'm gonna come right back. That's what you do. You drench your skin with some Fix Plus. I don't use Morphe no more because I just find that it gets me really oily. I don't know why, but it makes me oily, y'all. Anyways, now the look is coming together. I always say that every time you do something, just keep going, because a look might not be what it seems until you get everything together. Times Katy from Dose of Color collection, and try this first, y'all. I swear by this stuff. Like, you know, the Milk foundation that I had tried on my last collaboration video before I did this one. Oh my goodness, both of those combinations together is bomb. But I am so convinced that this, and I mix with this on my pores, and then with this I set all over, perfectly fine. Like, you don't see like no flaws, none of that. Like, my pores look closed. I don't know, but this stuff is really, really working. I really, really want to keep testing it with other foundations to see how it does. I'm going over my pore area with highlight, and I still don't see my pores as much. Contour first before I add the pink highlighter. I'm going to basically bronze. What you contour with?
Shit, Calumet foundation.
Blush, I'm gonna add Nior. Actually smudging that black out underneath the eyes. And then I put on a lid. I'm just going to basically tap that onto the black. Add a little bit of that burgundy. Okay. I have to add this pink gloss from MUA Makeup Academy. Do my eyebrow, well, the rest of my eyebrows, maybe not, because you can't even see them because of the bang off camera. Then I'm gonna come back with the final look, y'all.